Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the handle and securing the blade. This prevents damage. Once set, wet the 400 grit sandpaper and sand along the steel grain, not across it. Use light, consistent pressure and slow, even strokes. Make sure to keep the surface wet. Water acts as lubricant and removes metal particles. If a deep scratch exists, take slightly longer passes until the scratch blends. Pause to wipe and inspect. You want the scratch reduced, but not the edge reshaped. Once the initial abrasion has blended the scratch, switch to 600 grit to smooth scratches left by 400. You should make 5-10 controlled passes per side, keeping the blade wet and inspecting frequently to check progress. Then progress to 1000 grit, which polishes the metal and reduces visible haze. This step restores the stainless look. Make sure to always sand with the grain. If you cross the grain, you'll create new micro scratches. Keep pressure gentle to preserve the blade's bevel. You finish by applying a small amount of metal polish with a microfiber or jeweler's cloth. Rub gently along the grain until the surface gleams. Once done, rinse the blade, dry it completely, and apply a thin coat of food-safe oil to protect the steel. Make sure to inspect the edge for any unintended rounding. If the scratch remains noticeable, repeat the grit progression more slowly or consult a professional sharpener for deep gouges. Remember, consistent grain direction prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.